We always take time to visit our loved ones. The most hardest thing in life is to lose a loved one. Missing you every day, thinking about you every day, wishing you were still here. It's always every day, every day. The most amazing thing happened. When Hilly was standing by the tree, a bird just hovered right over top of his hat. And I was actually able to catch a small footage of that. They say birds are a sign in your life. Impermanent. Everything changes and nothing stays the same.
Like and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Vlogging Diva.